Hey everybody, I'm The Terrain, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 20W48A for Minecraft Java Edition. We'll be taking a look at some of the new features and changes, but let's not waste any more time and get into the snapshot. This release saw the addition of two new blocks, the dripstone block and the pointed dripstone. These blocks currently do not spawn naturally in the world, however you can still get them in the creative inventory. The pointed dripstone can be placed on either floors or ceilings and can be stacked on top of each other, which is super cool. These pointed dripstones also hurt entities that fall or even jump on them, so be sure to watch out for these new blocks while you're caving in the future. And this block introduced an incredible new mechanic. If water or lava is above this block, then it will drip water or lava. If a cauldron is placed under a pointed dripstone that is dripping water, then that cauldron will fill up, and if lava is above the pointed dripstone, then a lava block can be actually formed, thus making lava renewable for the first time ever. This is absolutely amazing, as now players can effectively create infinite lava sources. Also, Trident go brrrr. A few items have had texture changes in this snapshot, such as the clock and compass. The clock is now more vibrant and better matches the gold texture of Minecraft, and the compass now has shinier iron on the side. Also, the spyglass is now a 3D model rather than a 2D icon like in previous versions. I can't say I'm a fan of this new model, however I'm sure Minecraft devs will continue working on perfecting it. The candle block can now only be placed on solid blocks, but when the solid block is removed, the candle will remain floating. This is a change, as in previous snapshots, you could place candles on top of any block, no matter if it was solid or not. Also, players in Powder Snow now only need one piece of leather armor to prevent freezing, rather than a full set like in the previous snapshot. And, in previous versions, cut copper slabs only gave 4 slabs in the recipe, however this version has changed this, as now you will obtain 6 slabs. A new game rule called freezing damage has been added in this version, and when set to false, players will not freeze in Powder Snow no matter what armor they have equipped. Also, the infamous crafting duplication glitch in the previous snapshot, which involved using a bundle to take out an item in a crafting grid and then duplicating it, has been fixed in this version. By activating advanced tooltips by pressing F3 and H, you will now be able to see a bundle's fullness out of 64. And this measure of fullness is dependent on the stack size. So for instance, 64 TNT is fullness 64 out of 64, 1 diamond sword is 64 out of 64, and 16 snowballs are 64 out of 64. And those are the main changes in this snapshot. This video did not include every bug, as most of them were minor technical bugs. However, if you'd like to see a full list of them, the article link will be down in the description. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more snapshot coverage, as well as mod and plugin tutorials, and soon data pack tutorials. If you'd like to create a free server that you can play on with your friends to experiment with stalactites, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.